Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Funny Web Designer. In this video, we will create a loading animation with the help of HTML and CSS. And you can see a demo of this project on my computer screen. In this video, we will create this one. So let's start the video. I have opened my code editor and here I have an index.html file and one is style.css file. Now I write a code for our project. So first I write a div and give a class name loader. Then go to a CSS file, and in this file first I write a universal selector, and in this I give margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and after that we select a body and give width 100%, height 100 vh, and position relative. And after not give a position relative, here I give a background hash to one like this, and after that we give a display flags, align item center, justify content center. After that we select a loader class, this div, and here I write loader and I give a width 48 pixel, height 48 pixel, and after it position relative. Next what we gave margin auto, and next open a browser, and here you can see I get this types of output. So next I write loader, and here I write before. So I give a property first content, and next I write width 48 pixel, and after that we give a height 5 pixel, background color hash like this one, and after that we give a position absolute, and top 60 pixel, and left 5 pixel, left 0 pixel, and after that we give a border radius 50% and animation name a shadow 0.5 second linear infinite, and you can see here I get output. Next what we can do, I write a loader here, and now I select after, and in this I write a content, and after that we give a width 100%, height 100%, and background give a pink, you can choose anyone, and position absolute. After that top 0, left 0, and border radius 4 pixel, and animation here I write a name jump, and here we write a 0.5 second linear infinite. Here you can see I get output, but we cannot get a border radius, so here I write a border radius instead of border. Now you can see I get something like that. So now I apply animation on it. First we apply animation on jump, so here I write a keyframe, and after that animation name jump, and next we write 50% and give a border bottom right radius 3 pixel. I gave 3 pixel, and I check this and not working, I think. So next what I can do, I write 25%, and here I write a translate y, and give a 9 pixel. After that we write rotate and 22.5 degree, and after that we write 50%, and here I write translate y 18 pixel, and next scale 1.9, 1 and 0.9. Then I rotate the div 45 degree. Check output, and you can see I get this output like that. Now what I can do here, I write 75%. On 75%, what happened? Transform, translate wire 9 pixel, and I write here rotate and 67.5 degree. So something like that. Next, what we can do is here I 100%, and in this we write or transform, translate y 9 pixel, 0. And next, what we can do here, I write a rotate and 90 degree. I hope it's work properly. You can see it's work something like that. And next, what we can do here, I go to this place, and here I write keyframe, and in this keyframe we write a shadow. Now I animate this shadow, and what we can write 0% and 100%. 0% transform, scale 1, and after that 50% and transform, scale 1.2 and 1. Now I think like that. So here, go here, and here I write 100%. It's worked properly, but some issue on here. So I think zero radius on bottom 30 pixel. I apply 30 pixel. I think it's worked properly.
If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.